Hello everyone, this is Adam with Kanen Coffee, and we have a Pasquini Livia 90. I came into the shop for a couple issues. One of them was poor pressure, when brewing. There's also inconsistent steam pressure, steam boiler, and that had to do. There was one main issue and then two other issues that were conflicting with it. Well, first of all, this pump is pretty old. It's from 2008. It's over 2 years old, or almost 2 years old. Then we had a little pressure set. This is very commonly replaced component. Scale can build up in there just over time, even if you have good water over the course of the many years. These things will wear out because they're electromechanical devices. But lastly, this is the heat exchanger. This is where all the brew water passes through inside of the boiler that heats it up. And you can see here that there's actually a big breach in there. It has a big crack right at the bottom. So ultimately, with this being the most major issue, when you were brewing, it was actually pushing water not only to the group head but also into the steam boiler, and that was causing a reduction in brew pressure, since there's just so much more volume in the boiler even when it's heated up. So with all that service done, we have good pressure here on the steam, and I'm just going to brew a shot. This is our test coffee. In fact, it's coming out a little fast because we haven't dialed it in we haven't dialed in our grinders. It's actually not looking too bad. But you can see there's no fluctuation in pressure on the steam gauge, which is what you would see with a breached heat exchanger. I'm just going to let this go. And then I'm just going to stop it right here. You can see pressure is released. From there. And I'm just going to test the steam as well. We got good steam. And we have hot water there. So that's about it for this video. Includes all the repairs we did to the machine. Thank you for watching.